Welcome to the Haven Shop. Today's episode of Behind the Metal, we're featuring a very special custom range hood. We've got a matte black finish, stainless steel straps, some crown molding. We're gonna go over the details of this range hood and show you what it takes to put it together, send it on its way to our customer. All right, so these straps on this range hood, stainless steel, 316 type of material, 1/4 inch thick, very thick type of strap. Not so easy to work on, but worth the extra work to give it that depth. You know, these are all completely handcrafted. This isn't like a, cut off and stick on situation. These are extreme amount of time was put into making these straps perfectly right. To match the straps, we have the clean lines, the concave of the hood, all done by hand. We use a manual roller for that part of the project. All the welding is done in every seam you see, really. So featuring crown molding, straps, a nice concave. After everything was said and done, we took it to our powder coaters. We did a matte black finish per the customer's request. Now this finish is exceptional. I really love it. If we would have done a more glossy finish, light reflects off it and kind of gives it reflective aspects, but the matte black kind of absorbs the light. It really brings out the simple, clean nature of the range hood. With that in mind, it's a very easy to care for finish. Basically you could wipe it down with a terry cloth, a microfiber, using a mild soap if you wanted to. It's not something that's going to get dirty, or you're not going to see any kind of an issue with this long term. So let's talk about one of the most important parts of this range hood. That's the functionality aspects, the ventilation. The hoods are built as a statement piece, but you're also going to need it to do its job, which is ventilate fumes out of the kitchen. If you're doing a lot of cooking, you've got constant steam or fumes coming up from your pots. This is going to suck them right out of the kitchen and take them into the ductwork and eliminate that from your home. These are baffles, also known as the filter holders. So these baffles, made out of stainless steel by Z-Line. We don't make these. This component was completely turnkey, shipped to us in the way that we could install it, build the range hood around it. We've got the lights. These are LED, very nice. It's gonna illuminate the range top and give you a nice visual when you're cooking. Now we've got 6 buttons total. We've got one for the lighting. These are gonna go, you can go 1, 2, 3. You can do them all at once or just 1 or 2 or 3. We've got 4 fan speeds. These fan speeds are gonna control how much suction and how much ventilation is going on. These filters are all removable. If you're doing a lot of cooking, you're gonna wanna change the filters, a few times out of the year. If you're not cooking much, you can get a year out of them. Z-Line sells the replaceable filters, very easy to coordinate that aspect of your range hood. We've got a timer as well. This is a very nice component. I love Z-Line components. We've done them in a lot of different of our hoods. All right, so last but not least, the back side. This is basically the mounting side of the range hood. This is wall mounted, so it actually adheres directly to the wall. You're gonna use this part of the range hood. You're basically gonna bolt it to the wall using this flange. Some bolts down here, left side, that all is included in our install instructions. The component is plug and play. Z-Line manufactures these in a way that's very easy for the customer once they receive it from us. We've got a AC adapter plug here. That's gonna go straight into the outlet. Straightforward. This connects to the ductwork. It's gonna have a boot on it, which essentially comes up, comes out, connects to the round duct. This is a 10-inch duct, so it's gonna go straight to the 10-inch duct in the customer's house. With installation, you do need to have someone that's experienced install a range hood like this. It's fairly heavy, probably 120 to 150 pounds. Mounting on the wall needs to be done right. Thanks for watching this episode of Behind the Metal. Stay tuned. We're going to be putting up lots of project videos and keeping you guys updated with our craftsmanship. We take great pride in our work, and we love to see comments on any feedback you have. If you have any things you like about it, things you might not like. Let us know in the comments, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thank you for watching.